Introducing Total Repair by FiberFix, the universal repair tool. Here's the problem. Superglues bond objects together, but cannot perform other adhesive functions like sealing or reinforcement. Light-cured adhesives can seal, fill, and reinforce, but they cannot bond together opaque objects. Total Repair does it all. Got a broken object? Bond it with Total Repair. Do you have a hole or crack? Seal it with Total Repair. What about chips or gaps? Fill it with Total Repair. See, Total Repair is unlike any glue out there. It comes with a unique adhesive formula, an innovative blue light technology that empowers you to make endless repairs with the same product. To apply, twist and cap the nozzle line to pierce the foil, then squeeze the body to dispense resin. Shine the included blue light for an instant cure. If you're trying to glue two objects where light can't get in, don't worry. Simply apply Total Repair to one side and press the objects together. Within a minute, the glue will harden. Total Repair. It gets all of the jobs done.
An action camera needs to be tough, and it also needs to be capable. If it's not tough or capable, then it needs to be really cheap. Meet Sjcam, the king of the GoPro knockoffs. It looks identical to the GoPro and sports most of the features of this year's Hero Silver, like Wi-Fi, a screen, and lots of shooting modes. It can even shoot in 4K, which is only available on the Hero Black. At $120 on GearBest.com, the Sjcam is within the means of most riders, but how good is it in reality? I'm pretty skeptical about features like 4K on products this cheap, but I was actually impressed. I used it for a few shots this weekend, which made it into my Grapefruit Trails video. Here's some stabilized riding footage I took with it. The only reason I didn't include any of this footage in my video was that the camera was angled too low. On future rides, this might be a great secondary camera to mount to the bike or to someone else. It would also be interesting to pair this camera with a cheap single-axis gimbal and try to piece together a stabilized helmet cam for under $200. Between my $400 Hero Black and my $300 gimbal, I'm riding around with $700 worth of very breakable electronics on my helmet while I careen through mountain bike trails. To get comparable results out of a much cheaper rig could make this more practical for the average rider. I might experiment with that. While this Sjcam does have pretty decent video, the audio is almost unusable. See here. Now here's my GoPro. That's a night and day difference, but we're also comparing two cameras that are priced very differently. For me, the Sjcam will always be a spare, but for a lot of riders it could be a great primary camera to bring out on the trails. Whether you're filming your friends or mounting it to your helmet, it should survive the abuse. Of course, it also comes with this bulky case which makes it totally indestructible, but like the GoPro, it makes it heavier and blocks the microphone. If you feel like you're riding with a cat on your head, it's because you're using your action camera like this instead of like this. For me, video is a really important part of mountain biking. It's a way to share your experiences with friends and maybe even convince them to take up the sport. It's a way to rub in your coworker's face what you did on your day off, or just prove to your riding buddies that you finally did that drop from last time.
Imagine if you didn't have to get your phone out for every little thing. What if there was a simpler way to interact with your devices? Flic is a wireless button that connects to your iOS or Android device. So instead of going through your phone, you simply press the button. That's better. I use the Flic app to set it up, and then I can stick Flic wherever I want. I can even share this Flic with my roommate, so he can use it when I'm not around. But Flic isn't just for your house. You can stick your Flics anywhere, like in your car or on your bike.
Head straight.
It's really cool.
Your destination is on the left.
And you can clip your Flic. It's great for any situation where you need a quick and discreet shortcut.
Me.
Like now. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. But Flic can be so much more than just a shortcut to your phone. It can be integrated with lots of different services beyond your devices. Check this one out. Take me home, cabbie. And when I get home, I want everything to just take care of itself. Shh! The movie's starting. Another great feature of Flic is that it can be used as a safety device. With just a push of a button, you can send live updates of your location or even a distress signal to your family and friends.
Cut! It's a wrap!
All right, good job.
Finally.
Good job, man.
Anyone wants pizza?
Yeah. Nice. That
Hey,
was a good button.
hang on guys, let me grab a quick selfie first.
Sure. All right, yeah.
Me and the Flic team.
Let's go
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flic!
Hi, we're a Swedish team that has been working for almost 2 years to create Flic, and we're really excited to finally show it to you. We've gone through a hardware incubator in San Francisco, we traveled all across Europe and China to finalize design and to find the right partners.
We have developed the Flic app to be super simple to set up. Just open your app, press the button, and select the function that you need. We also have an easy software development kit that allows other apps to work with Flic. We already have some amazing apps that will work with Flic already from the start.
And now we need your help to make this all happen. In order to bring Flic to the market and into your hands, we need to fund the tooling and certifications that are needed. In return for your contribution, we'll send you the very first Flics ever made.
Meet Tile Mate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, Tile Mate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, Tile Mate is there to help you find them. Ring Tile Mate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on a map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. Tile Mate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get Tile Mate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.